It doesn't cost me anything to pick this stuff up.
And this is,
That's my freebie.
And
that's
this
not the
bike,
electric. Is this the electric, Jay?
No, I'll show you the electric. No, I'll show you the electric.
There's a bike like this outside our apartment, leaned against the pole. It's been there for 2 weeks. It's chained there, but it never moves.
Yeah. There he is.
Yeah.
There he is.
You're on video.
Glad to see you kids, really. So we'll find out. You should phone Linda right now.
okay,
Find out if it's Friday or Saturday.
yeah.
Okay, let me get in there over there. What I know what age when you're in your 70s, what's that called? You know, you got octogenarian for in your 80s.
Yes.
Junior years.
No, they got a name for it, don't they?
70s.
Looks great, eh?
Oh yeah, awesome.
This is a hot 74-year-old.
Wow, you guys don't look
Okay.
your age.
Take
Now one up close.
one up close.
Very nice.
That's great.
He really hasn't grown up yet, you know. That's all.
Nope.
Maybe that's okay. Maybe
That's okay.
Maybe that's the best thing.
Trish,
Drives me a little
listen to
nuts.
me. If you get $450, put it in the bank.
Oh, I
Don't
will.
let anybody talk you into anything else.
Neat, eh?
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
A Schwinn is good.
Yeah. I got to still swap out the batteries because they're older batteries, but I've had a lot of fun with it.
You mean you just take the battery out and replace the
Yeah,
battery?
this whole thing comes out,
Uh-huh.
and whoever put the batteries in, they weren't quite the original, so I had to dick around with it. But yeah, you can. Eventually, I can replace these motors, but these motors they're apparently very reliable. But anyways, that's my new thing.
Yeah. Really? Oh, it's turned out nice, hasn't it?
Almost as tall as I am, but not quite.
Maybe.
This car still looks good.
That's not very nice. Not very respectful.
What age do you enter the senior years?
I don't know. You're older than me, old man.
Yeah, right.
I guess the 90s, is it?
What that?
You go,
This is a nice.
so when will you be moving to Ontario?
Soon.
You're thinking about it. Okay.
No,
When,
not
when,
even
when
think-
pigs fly?
Yeah, we were sitting at a bench waiting for the train, and there was a wind coming up. Man, was it cold.
Yeah,
I thought
that-
to myself, come wintertime, this must be a real bench.
No fun at all.
It gets very cold here
Yeah.
in winter.
What do you
Especially
do?
down here. Nice in the summer, cold in the winter.
Okay, we're going to be heading into the Asia Express, and when we come out, Dad will give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So it's a mystery right now, but Trish recommended. Okay, give her a kiss.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, he's still got his appetite, anyways.
Who?
You. Always 3 squares a day? No.
Thank you.
Okay, be honest. What did you think?
Shit's
How was the service?
service is good. Here.
What is that? Go.